Welcome. Today I'm going to walk you through the brand new way to forward a like from a chat on Instagram using your PC. If you've ever wanted to share that perfect moment or reaction with someone else, this update makes it easier than ever. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all your messages and chats. Next, look to the left side of your screen and click on the messages icon. This icon usually looks like a speech bubble or a paper airplane. Clicking here will take you straight to your inbox, where all your conversations are neatly organized. Now, find and open the chat where the like message you want to forward is located. Scroll through your list of conversations and simply click on the one you need. Once you're inside the chat, take a moment to find the specific message that has the like you want to share. When you've found the liked message, look for the 3 dots right next to it. These 3 dots open up a menu of options for that particular message. Click on the 3 dots to reveal the available actions. From the menu that appears, select Forward. This feature allows you to send that liked message to someone else, whether it's a friend, a group, or anyone else in your contacts. After you click Forward, a list of your contacts will pop up. Here, you can choose one or more recipients who you want to share the liked message with. Take your time to select the right people. Once you've chosen your recipients, all that's left is to click Send. The liked message will be forwarded instantly, letting others see exactly what caught your attention in the original chat. And that's it. With just a few quick steps, opening Instagram, accessing your messages, finding the like, and forwarding it, you can now share those special moments with anyone you want, right from your PC. Give this new update a try and make your Instagram conversations even more interactive and fun.